Ayun, si Jollibee. Ayun, si Jollibee. Sa Edinburgh. The city center of Edinburgh. Kita niyo to. Yadang ang ganda ng pagkagawa ng building nila. I think this is what? Church? No, it's not a church. It's what? What is this, Han? It's parang city hall. Maganda yung no, doesn't mention. Pero look at that. Maganda siya. Very old city. Is parang very old city, Han, no? Yung Edinburgh. Nakalabas na kami ng parking. Now maghanap kami ng restaurant para makakain. No. What is that? What's that thing?
We're just gonna follow the tourists.
Gusto na lang namin mga tourists kasi sila pupunta. For sure makakita kami ng restaurant.
Guys, it's so cold.
It is cold. It's chilly a bit. And this is Edinburgh. That's their flag, the UK flag. So we're here.
Do you want to buy a fridge magnet?
Yeah, later. Ang ganda.
Oi?
Ha?
Yo sushi?
Pangpi. So can have this. Ang ganda, oh. What are you doing, Han? Are you gonna drink beer? Ang ganda doon, no, sa taas. You have to, pero doon you have to go up all the way, then you can go in that side. So we're gonna see. Doon sa taas, ang ganda dito. Pretty city. Ganda likak. Kaso nagugutom na kami, wala na kaming energy. Naghahanap kami ng kakainan. Nasa taas ng bundok. Oh. Wanda rin kung may nakatira sa bar. There's a tourist nga, oh. Think you can go there up.
A few moments later.
Like chicken here in the Tartas Mansion. Yan yung po ni Albert. Meron pang pa-bulaklak for mayor, Yeah, friends. Meron din pa-bulaklak si Mayor. We have chicken satay. Yung chicken pantay ko. Kasi kahapon mali yung binigay. So ito mas masarap. So natapos na kaming kumain. Alex, how's the food?
It's so good, guys.
Grabe,
And
ang
I
sarap.
have so much fidget. I have a singing one, I have 2 scratches, and I have a foldable one.
Ang sarap ng Thai food doon, promise. Wala sinabi kita
So
ina namin
guys, you
kahapon.
understand me?
Oo, naintindihan ka doon nila.
Anyways, if you understand me, just understand me.
So parang bumigit ako ng mga 48 kilos.
That
Joke.
is actually a castle.
Aya,
They have
ayun yung castle, guys, oh.
they have that chocolate, guys, and it's like a chocolate and then it's like
With the mint. Yeah. Anyway, so feeling ko nga bumigat ako ng 48 kilos. But it's good, so we have energy kasi mag-walk kami ng madaming mahaba dito sa city ng Edinburgh. Kasi
And you wanna go later to check if there's souvenir or magnet?
yeah, I will do, no? I want to buy for you quilt.
Yay! Can I be matching if there's 2?
Yeah, but when you wear quilt, you don't wear anything under.
Oh, I mean, I don't want the kilt anymore. That's what I mean.
Hangit kasi nung kilt. Alam mo, sobrang pagkaano ko sa Scotland. Gusto ko bumili ng quilt for Alec and for Albert. Anyway, later, guys. Ganyan, promise. Ang ganda ng quilt. So nice. Ayaw ni Albert magsuot ng quilt. We decided to go to bus tour para hindi kami maglalakad. Ayun yung red bus, yung double decker. Ayun. Pwede masyadong lakad. Handali! Alex! Red. This is the bus. Yeah, this one. The red one. Na kami ng bus. So now it's more nice. And we have the headset. So this is a Scott Monument pala. Scott Monument. They call this one a Scott Monument. Takot yung bata. Susuka daw siya.
Uy, yung musical.
Meron sila kasi ganitong headset. So you can actually listen with everything about kung ano to, ano yung ganun. Edinburgh, British Elephant. Diba? Kasong
Bye
init.
guys.
This is a chapel, 12th century pa. Prayer of the Scotland. Oh. So this is a church pala. Wala yung Johnny Walker Street. Johnny Walker Street. Oh, look at the castle. Oh, you can see the castle here. You can see the castle here, and there's so many pubs, drinks, so many pubs, hotels here.
This is kind of
the
actually
city.
fun.
And you see that that's the castle. There's so many tourists in here. Ford and Logic pala itong mga building na to. Ang ganda. Victoria Street. Wow. Nice. It's very good. 1729. Wow. Nice. Ganda nito. 17th century school. Kami sa top ng yung kaninang binibideo ko sa bundok. Ito na yun. Sa top na kami. Wow, look at this. So busy. Street. Makadaming tourists. So far. And they have also some church there. This is the church. This is 1930 building. Library of Scotland. Yo, dungo. Mary Queen of Scott.
Alexandra, gaat het goed met jou?
National Museum of Scotland. Very old cover. We're on the way to Palace. So this better as yung castle. The King's Gallery. Palace shop. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Ang ganda. Oh, there's a water. Oh. Ano, nag-swimming sila dun. Wow. Ganda. Oh. Is resident pa rin pala yung castle. Special royal resident. Ang ganda ng bundok. Oh. It's so beautiful.
Wild here.
Oh, what is so wild? It's so beautiful in here, you mean?
Yeah, because like you know the mountains are wild.
It's so maganda here. Ang ganda. Wow. Hollywood Park. This is Hollywood Park. Oh.
It's
A few moments later.
So since I'm getting things with the Scottish, I got this jacket and have the gray one. Niya ako, pero naubos na niya yung frappuccino. Alec, so how's Edinburgh? Beautiful city, right?
guys, this is scented. Oh.
Oh, it's very beautiful city. City? This is city, right? Ang ganda. We would love to come back here.
Glasgow, Scotland.
Scotland. It's the capital of Scotland.
A few moments later.
So, I fall too much in Scotland. So, I get two sweater because Albert doesn't want it. I get this Edinburgh, Scotland, the red one, and the gray one. The thing is, meron sila mga sweater kaso walang zipper na ganito. And I prepare with this one. Especially pag nag-workout ako. This is more practical. 13, 14. And I like that flag. I like this. like that.
And we have that also in Netherlands.
Scotland. How do you say it? Scotland.
And this
Scotland.
magnet.
Scotland, the brave. And I get the magnet. Syempre, the magnet and the keychain. So nice. So yun yung binili ko doon sa Edinburgh, yung sweater kasi ewan ko ang ganda ng ano niya, tsaka ganda niya ng pag winter, you can wear that one tapos para din sa pag-workout. But guys, alam nyo, worth it ilagay sa bucket list ang Scotland. Sobrang ganda niya. Actually, like sa akin lang for me, as syempre, nagta-travel kami. We've been in Paris. I prepared yung Scotland na visit, bumalik sa Scotland rather than to go back to Paris. Even though it's crowded din, sobrang crowded, ang daming tao kasi ang daming tourists. Pero ang ganda niya and ano naman siya, safe naman siya. Marami kang pamimilian, different klase ng makakainan meron doon. Tapos ano pa ba? Kasi yung history niya, nung kanina, nung nag-tour bus kami, nung hop in, hop out, yung bus tour, ang daming history. Imagine mo, meron pa lang yung ninanakaw nila yung mga body, yung mga namatay, kasi para gamitin sa medical tuba, yung para i-examine yung mga body. And then what else? Yung two notorious murderer, kung saan sila nakatira before, ayan, nadaanan din namin. Tapos yung castle, ang ganda, as in, nakaka-inlove ang Scotland. I don't know, I felt like, it's like more city of love than Paris. It's just for me, guys. I mean, kasi, syempre tayo, iba-iba tayo ng pananaw, iba-iba tayo ng view. Paris is okay, but one time in Paris is enough for me. But Scotland is really nice. Luxembourg, it's also one of my favorite, pero Scotland is my new favorite. And syempre yung Switzerland din. And ano pa ba? Ang dami. Actually, one day is not enough in Edinburgh. Glasgow, it's okay. It's also a city here in Scotland. Dito kami nagstay kasi, first of all, ang hotel sa Edinburgh, kasi meron silang parang festival something, so expensive. Ang mahal ng mga hotel. So, we decide to stay here in Glasgow, and malapit din naman kasi yung work ni Albert dito tomorrow. Plus, ano pa ba? It's only like 1 hour drive to Edinburgh. But Edinburgh is really nice. I don't know if I pronounce it right, even the city. But it's nice. Ang dami mo pwedeng gawin. I want to buy kilt for Alec. Kaso ang mahal din. Grabe. Ang OA ng price. Parang isang kilt for kids is 40 British pound. Since the price of yung kilt for Alec is 40 pounds. So, sabi ko, wag na lang. Tsaka baka di naman gamitin. Unless if you have really enough money. Kasi if you will go to Scotland or UK, it's actually expensive here. But it's almost the same. In Scotland, it's almost the same in Switzerland. Whenever you dine in, it will cost you around like 80 or 90 British pound or sterling pounds. They have the separate paper note here, yung pera nila, but it's the same as a British pound, sabi ni Albert. So, like today, I pay cash. Tapos, nagtago ako kasi bumili ako ng regalo kay Alec. So, hindi niya alam. Kasi birthday niya after 3 days. So, din niya sabi ko, wala kaming regalo sa kanya. Ito na yung travel namin. So, okay lang sa kanya. Pero, I try to manage to buy a gift for her. Nandun siya sa budget, so hindi niya ako naririnig. So, yun. So, I pay cash. Tapos, yung sukli ko is sterling pound, something like that. It's in my wallet. So, magkaiba siya. Wait, I'll show you. So, yung sa England, they have Bank of England like this. This is the Bank of England. So, si Queen Elizabeth yung nandito. I think this is Queen Elizabeth if I'm not mistaken. Sa Scotland, they have this one. It's mentioned here, Bank of Scotland. And 10 pounds sterling ang tawag nila. But it's the same as British pound. Yan. So, para sila ng British pound. Ayan yung magamay na ang ingay na naririnig ko na. Yun ang good thing. Full of energy pa rin siya until now. Ayun nga. Yeah. So, yeah. So, this is the... So, yun. Magkaiba sila ng pera, ng papel ng pera, but it's the same amount. Yung 10 British pound and 10... what you call this one? 10 pounds sterling. It's the same amount then as 10 British pound. Di ba? But, yun na nga. It's very nice here in Scotland. And we want to come back here. Parang in Luxembourg, we want to come back here because one day is not enough, right, Han?
Yeah.
It's not enough for one day. At saka, it's much cheaper here to do a tour bus than in London.
Grabe.
Like, in London, one adult is 39 British pound. Here, it's 18 British pound. And, libre si Alec. Sa London, may bayad ang bata. But, in England, train, everything, free si Alec pala. Free ang bata sa train. Which is good. I think here also, the kids is free, right? I think here also, it's free. But hindi naman kami nag-train kasi dito.
But in London, they have to charge for a kid in the sightseeing bus.
Yeah, at doon pala, sa London, sa sightseeing bus, may bayad ang bata. Dito, libre sa Scotland. O, diba? Maganda siya as in, guys. You have to visit Scotland. If you're gonna visit UK, you must visit Scotland. Kasi you must visit Scotland. Ganun. Kasi nga, worth siya na i-visit. So, yun na nga. So, diba? Na-visit namin yung Castle of Bamborough. Bamborough. And then we saw a castle here as well. And then, what else? We saw a city. It's nice. We did not see yung Harry Potter, yung street, kasi hindi kami bumaba. Kasi nga, medyo late na inisip kasi namin, syempre, si Alec. That's the only thing, disadvantage. Kasi pag meron kang 7 years old, 6 years old, she will be 7 after 3 days. Syempre, mahirap din naman isagad yung bata kasi ma-overpatig siya. So, by 5, we're coming back here to Glasgow. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Alex, say bye-bye to the guys muna.
Sorry! Bye-bye na! Sorry! Bye-bye na! Bye-bye na!
Tingnan mo yung eye bags mo. Eye bags pa mo.
Ano sasabi mo dyan? Bye-bye na!
Ang eye bags namin mag-ina. Ang eye bags namin tatlo. Anyway, guys, thank you. Have a good night, guys. Bye!